Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can check the flight offers in the Volotea application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then at the section, click on the flights button. And then click on the flight offers button. And as you can see, you can set an origin and a destination country if you want to. Or you can search through all of them, but as you can see, from Bologna to Olbia, here's the the cheapest option that you can find. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.